Welcome to the Thai lesson for beginners. To give special emphasis for the writing system of Thai is of utmost importance, because Thai language continues to use its traditional alphabets. Learning Thai in its actual form will further enhance your proficiency in the language and have better practical application in terms of reading and writing. As we have learned earlier, the Thai writing system has been heavily influenced by the Indian scripts and languages. True to its origins, Thai writing system has been grouped alongside the southern Brahmi scripts, which are common to South Asia and Southeast Asia. The script has been derived from Old Khmer, a prominent language of Cambodia, and has been in official usage since the 13th century, with limited transformations and changes till the modern times. Thai alphabets can be broadly classified into vowels and consonants. However, the interesting part of these alphabets is that the vowels are not considered as separate entities. Rather, they are added to the consonant to generate a vowel sound. This feature can be greatly observed in many Indian and Southeast Asian languages. We will slowly begin with learning the Thai alphabets.
Gò, gò,
In Thai, while learning alphabets, we are most likely to encounter different alphabets, which have a similar pronunciation. Hence, to distinguish them, we need examples to remember when and where to use these alphabets.
กอไก่
Which means chicken.
กอไก่ กอไก่ ขอ ขอ ขอไข่
Which means egg.
ขอไข่ ขอไข่
It is important to note that the second sound indicates the vocabulary intended, and not to be confused with the pronunciation of the alphabet.
คอ คอ คอควาย
Which means buffalo.
คอควาย คอควาย คอ คอ คอระฆัง
Which means bell.
คอระฆัง คอระฆัง งอ งอ งองู
Which means snake.
งองู งองู จะ 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 จาน
Which means plate.
จะ จาน จะ จาน ฉะ 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 ชิง
Which is a traditional musical instrument used in South India and Southeast Asia.
ฉะ ชิง ฉะ ชิง ช้า 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 ช้าง
Which means elephant.
ช้า ช้าง ช้า ช้าง
If you are confused by the similar sounding alphabets, remember that the meaning of the word is applicable only when that specific alphabet is used. Sometimes, the different alphabets are used to indicate a different meaning for the word, even though they have similar sounds.
ซา 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 โซ่
Which means chain.
ซา โซ่ ซา โซ่ ชอ 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 เชอ
Which means tree.
ชอ เชอ ชอ เชอ ยอ 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 หญิง
Which means woman.
ยอ หญิง ยอ หญิง ดอ 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 ชดา
which means a headdress or crown, which is worn during traditional dances and stage dramas.
ดอ ชดา ดอ ชดา ต่อ 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 ประตัก
which means a pointed stick or javelin. It may be primarily used in agriculture, cattle herding, but in the context of javelin, it can also be used in sports.
ต่อ ประตัก ต่อ ประตัก ถอ 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 ฐาน
which means a base or foundation.
ถอ ฐาน ถอ ฐาน ทะ 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 มณฑล
which is
Mandodri,
one of the important characters in
Ramayana,
a Hindu epic which was inspired from India, later adopted as
รามเกียรติ์
in Thailand.
ทะ มณฑล ทะ มณฑล ทอ 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 ผู้เฒ่า
which means elderly person.
ทอ ผู้เฒ่า ทอ ผู้เฒ่า นะ 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 เอน
which means a novice monk with limited experience in this way of life.
นะ เอน นะ เอน ดะ 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 เด็ก
which means child.
ดะ เด็ก ดะ เด็ก ต่อ 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 เต่า
which means turtle.
ต่อ เต่า ต่อ เต่า ถะ 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 ถุง
which means bag.
ถะ ถุง ถะ ถุง ทอ 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 ทหาร
which means soldier.
ทอ ทหาร ทอ ทหาร ทะ 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 ธง
which means flag.
ทะ ธง ทะ ธง นอ 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 หนู
which means mouse.
นอ หนู นอ หนู
Thank you for the patient learning. Due to the length of this lesson, the remaining consonants will be covered in the next lesson. The best way to remember Thai alphabets is to practice writing them. The different alphabets with common pronunciation is a feature in several Asian languages, which is challenging for the learner and needs to cope up with it. However, with perseverance of the learner, it is possible to overcome these setbacks.